Hello student, in the last video we were talking about the general introduction of reproduction of human reproduction system. In this video we will study about the first reproductive system, that is female reproductive system. Here is the diagram of female reproductive system. We can see that there is two oval like structure that are ovary. Ovaries is connected with funnel like structure. These funnel like structure known as oviduct or fallopian tube, which are open in the bag like structure, sac like structure, that is known as uterus, and uterus open into a vagina and cervix. So here is some theory about the female reproductive system, that is it consists pair of ovaries. It means female reproductive system have pair of ovary. There is two ovary. A duct system consisting a pair of fallopian tube, that is fallopian tube, which is divided into four parts: ampulla, isthmus, and etc. There is a uterus, which is bag-like structure, that is cervix, and that is vagina, the opening part of the female reproductive system. A pair of mammary gland are accessory genital gland. It means mammary gland भी जो होता है फीमेल के अंदर वो genital gland का वर्क करता है यहाँ पर. So here is the first topic, that is ovary. That is two ovaries are present in the female reproductive system. It is primary female sex organ which produce gamete. It means ova. It produce ova and secrete the female sex hormone, that is estrogen or progesterone, that are responsible for the development of secondary female sex character. We already mentioned about the secondary female sex characters and regulate cyclic changes in the uterine abdometrium. cyclic change यानी कि जो menstrual cycle होता है वो भी change होता है female sex organ के through, female sex hormone के through. Human ovaries are small almond like flat bodies and about 3 cm in diameter. Here is the diagram of ovary, that is the diagram of ovary. It is very important for the board class. The second part is the fallopian tube. Ovary is connected with the fallopian tube or oviduct. There are pair, it means there is two ovaries and which are connected with the two funnel like structure, that are two fallopian tube about 10 cm length. Ciliated, it means hair like structures present होता है fallopian tube पर. These are muscular and tubular structure that extend from ovary to uterus, जो कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक, ovary से uterus तक जाता है. If we make a diagram of the ovary, there is a diagram of ovary. These are the ovary and this is uterus. These are fallopian tube. Okay, so ovary fallopian tube is connected from the ovary to the uterus, uterine part. Each one is suspended by mesosalpinx, यानी कि हर एक जो है दोनों fallopian tube जो है वो एक लेयर, एक कवर से कवर्ड रहती है mesosalpinx से. Each fallopian tube is differentiated into 4 parts, और जो दोनों ovaries हैं वो अलग अलग 4 parts में डिवाइड हो रही हैं. Infundibulum, first is infundibulum which is started from the connected part of the ovary, जो कि ovary से just connected होता है, finger like structure होता है. It means infundibulum इसमें present होता है. Part of the oviduct closer to the ovary. oviduct वो part जो कि ovary से connected होता है, ovary के touch में होता है. And funnel shaped infundibulum. Edge of the infundibulum possesses finger like structure. यहाँ पे finger like projections present होते हैं and these finger like projection called fimbri. फिम्बरी हेल्प टू कलेक्शन ऑफ द ओव्यूम आफ्टर ओव्यूलेशन. जब ओवरी के थ्रू ओव्यूल, इट मीन्स एग फॉर्म हो जाता है, तो उस एग को ले जाने का काम फिम्बरी के थ्रू होता है. इन्फंडिबुलम ओपन इनटू द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी बाय द एपरेचर कोल्ड ओस्टियम. Then second part is ampulla which is lead by the infundibulum. Infundibulum lead to a wider part of the oviduct, यानी कि infundibulum जब आगे जाकर के एक वाइड पार्ट में कन्वर्ट होता है, that is called ampulla. The third and middle part of the oviduct is the isthmus, which is narrow and ciliated part, and the last part is uterine part which is connected by the uterus. Inner narrow part which is open into the upper part of the uterus, it is involved in the conduction of ovum. ovum को conduct करके रखने का काम करता है, या फिर zygote को ये 2 और 3 days के लिए अपने पास conduct करता है, and it send it in the uterus by the peristelis or ciliary action. fertilization occur. This is a main point, that fertilization, where is the fertilization occur? Mainly we answered that fallopian tube is the fertilization space or fertilization place, but the exact answer is in the fallopian tube there is a junction between the ampulla and isthmus. It is the fertilization space. Next point is next topic. Second topic is third topic is uterus, which is bag like structure, a large hollow muscular highly vascular and pear shaped, यानी कि एक फ्लूट की तरह का शेप होता है, बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, प्रेजेंट इन द पेल्विक बिटवीन द ब्लेडर एंड रेक्टम, जो कि ब्लेडर और रेक्टम दोनों के बीच में प्रेजेंट होता है फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में. इट इज सस्पेंडेड बाय द मेसेंस्टरी मीजोमेट्रियम, जो कि मीजोमेट्रियम के तो सस्पेंडेड होता है, कवर्ड होता है. इट इज फॉर्म्ड ऑफ थ्री पार्ट्स ये फॉर्म करता है. दीज थ्री पार्ट्स आर दी फंडस, बॉडी एंड सर्विक्स. Fundus, it is a upper dome shaped part which is connected with fallopian tube. Body, it is a main and middle part, and the cervix, it is lower narrow part which open into the body uterus of uterus, यानी कि यूट्रस की बॉडी को ये ओपन करने का काम करती है बाय इंटरनल, एंड इन वेजाइना बिलो द एक्सटर्नल, और बाहर की तरफ ये वेजाइना में ओपन होता है. इट इज़ फॉर्म्ड ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल स्पिंक्टर मसल, इसके अंदर मोस्ट पावरफुल इंस्पिंक्टर मसल्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं बॉडी के अंदर. इट्स वॉल इज फॉर्म्ड ऑफ आउटर पेरिटोनियल लेयर कोल्ड पेरीमेट्रियम, यानी कि जो वॉल होती है सर्विक्स की वो आउटर 3 लेयर्स की बनी होती है. आउटर पेरिटोनियल लेयर नोन एज पेरीमेट्रियम, मिडल लेयर known as myometrium, and the innermost layer is endometrium. It is a site of fetal growth. fetal growth यहीं पर होता है during pregnancy. It is also take part in placenta formation. अगर हम क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए where is placenta is formed, so in the cervix placenta is formed, help in pushing the baby out during पास्चुरेशन, यानी कि जब बेबी बर्थ लेता है 9 मंथ बाद में, तो उस टाइम पर पुशिंग का जो काम किया जाता है वो सर्विक्स के थ्रू किया जाता है. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट इज वजाइना. इट इज़ द आउटर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. द लेंथ ऑफ द वजाइना इज 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. फिब्रो मस्कुलर ट्यूब, इट एक्सटेंड बैकवर्ड इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द रेक्टम, जो रेक्टम के फ्रंट में ये एक्सटेंड होती है. इट इज़ वेस्कुलाइज ट्यूब इंटरनली लाइंड बाय म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन, जो कि इंटरनली म्यूकस की बनी होती है. रेज्ड इनटू ट्रांसफर फोल्ड कॉल्ड वेजाइनल